Hello guys, I hope you all are doing very well. Today I will show you invert image adjustment inside Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have already opened an image which I have collected from Pixabay. This is a basic color image and you will find the adjustment from here. This is invert, which keyboard shortcut is Ctrl I. But I do not suggest you to use this adjustment from here if you 100% sure that this is your final adjustment. So rather I would like to suggest you please adjust from here. This is or either here. So I am getting it from here. This is invert layer. This is very straightforward adjustment layer. You can see this simply invert the color. You can see this is very basic color, red, green, blue, and it invert this. It makes inverts red to cyan and green to magenta and blue to yellow. And this is the invert adjustment layer inside Adobe Photoshop. It simply invert the color. So what we can do with it? So you can next move it to, you can see this is hue adjustment. You can change the blending mode and this is hue, and in this way you can create this beautiful structure like that. Or saturation, you can increase the saturation of the color, and this is color adjustment. You can use this. You can also, I am deleting it, and also I am selecting now the subject from here, object selection tool, and select subject. After selecting that, you can see it is not properly selected, but I am continuing with it. So after selecting that, I can easily change, I can easily take this adjustment layer, and you can see that in this time you can see where it is selected the color has been inverted, and where it was not selected the color remains same as like the previous layer. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.